What's that?
Timmy, can you notice a Thomas? Can you? Can...
Thomas! Thomas!
Oh.
Look, it's got 2 seats on it.
Wow.
It's got 2 seats on it.
Okay, put the money in.
So, this is Thomas key right here.
A minute, wait a minute. Now, okay, now press start.
You are really useful engine.
It's making a noise.
I need you to help the other engines. You are a really useful engine.
Now time to click the red one.
Wow.
You are a really useful engine.
TV. They've got 2 seats on there. Where's TV?
Oh, look, it's a TV.
It doesn't move.
You are a really useful engine. You are a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines. You are a really useful engine.
Wow. Press it again. Oh, second go.
Let's go.
Timmy, having a go with that?
Mummy, are there any more rides or is it just these 2?
No, there's more. We have to, it's another place, slow. Don't press it, Timmy, otherwise you lose your go. If you press it, you lose your go.
You are a really useful engine. You are a really useful engine.
Wow.
Mummy, I can't be on this ride, look.
It's fine, Demi.
You are a really useful engine. You are a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines. I need you to help the other engines.
Press the red one. Not too close, love. And the green.
And the blue. And the blue.
And the blue.
Useful engine. You are a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines. I need you to help the other engines.
At least this one makes a noise.
Yeah, and it's not so quiet.
Yeah.
It's so loud. We did this at Thomas Land, and then
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
there's something on the TV now, Mummy.
Something on the TV. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's traps.
And then
And
train.
trains, yeah.
You are a really useful engine. You are a a really useful engine.
There's no more goes.
Oh, no more go.
Can I hug it?
You can hug it. You can say goodbye.
Can I hug it?
Yeah, you can hug it.
Hug him.
You hugging him. You say goodbye. Goodbye, Thomas. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye.
Here's Peppa Pig.